G'day guys, I'm Stan. Welcome to the Easy As for Kids workshop. Today we're going to be building ourselves a birdhouse. For this project we're going to need our birdhouse kit. Now within this kit comes the timber, our nails to put it together and the perch for the birds to sit on. Also going to need a hammer and a little bit of sandpaper to tidy it up at the end. Okay guys, just before we rip into it, we just want to make sure that all our parts are there. So make sure that we've got our little bag with our nails and our dowel for the perch. We've got our front piece, we've got our back piece. Obviously we've got our two sides, left and right, it doesn't matter which one goes where. We've got our baseboard that's all pre-drilled, and we've got our top. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take our baseboard. We've already got pre-drilled holes, so it makes it nice and easy to get the nails in. So we're just going to tap those in. And then we're just going to turn our front board. We're going to make sure that the little hole is facing upwards. Now we're nice and flush on the end and on the face. Wash your fingers, hold it nice and tight. Lovely. Now we'll do exactly the same for the back. Okay guys, you want to just make sure you just keep it down nice and tight as you're nailing it so it doesn't bounce around for you and you're going to get a better result. So the next thing we're going to do is put our left and right sides on. Doesn't matter which one we put on next. So obviously we've got a high point, that goes at the front. So just use your hammer just to tap it in or out. That's looking pretty good. And just repeat the same for the other side, guys. And when you're using your hammer, try and hold it more down the end. If you hold it down the front here, you're not going to get a good swing. You want to hold it pretty much 3/4 of the way down and use your wrist. Lovely. Now we just need to put our top on. We're going to put all our nails in those pre-drilled holes. So the back has a little bit of an overhang and the front has the big overhang. And we just want to line up exactly where these front and back nails go. So I'm going to start off with the back, tap that first one in. Now this is probably the trickiest part, so just make sure you have an adult helping you on this one. Now if you do have a little bit of a gap there like this, we can close that up. So I'm just going to push that over and just nail in our front. You just want to make sure that's nice and flush again. Just use your hammer and tap it out. Now we'll just do exactly the same for the other side. Cool. Okay guys, we're just about there. So you want to take your perch next. Just tap that in. It's a nice tight fitting hole so we won't need any glue or anything. Put that in so it goes in about 20 millimeters. And then all we're going to do is finish off. We're going to knock off some of these sharp edges with our bit of sandpaper. Okay, so there we have it, your very own Easy As for Kids birdhouse. Get stuck in.
I'm gonna make a bird house with a bed and it was wood. I think the birds use these houses to sleep in anyway. I'm sanding the inside of it so when they get in, they won't get hurt. I hope they're gonna make a nest and lay eggs. I had a fun day today. And me?